Hi children, good morning. Welcome to today's 12th class CBSE English class from JNV Denkanal, Odisha. Today we are going to discuss about the poem My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das. Today we are going to discuss about the poet, main theme of the poem and the summary of the poem. Okay, come on children. Now start about the poet. My Mother at 66 poem has written by Kamala Das. Kamala Das, Indian author, was born on March 31st, 1934 in Thrissur, Kerala, British India, and lived till May 31st, 2009. She wrote in English under the pen name Madhavi Kutty in the Malayalam languages of southern India. She was an advocate for human rights, especially for women and children. This is about the poet. Basically, Kamala Das, Indian author, and she has written in English and Malayalam languages, and her pen name was Madhavi Kutty, that in Malayalam languages. Now you come to the main theme of the poem. So main theme of the poem, that is about aging is an important phase of human life. A person enters childhood, experiences youth, when there is full of energy and dreams to have luxury of life. Finally, approaches old age and encounters death. Relationship becomes stronger and separation due to aging becomes unbearable. In this poem, the poet relates a personal experience. She brings out a common paradox of human relationships and portrays a sensational separation of a mother and a daughter. She has been able to capture almost all the emotions which a daughter is bidding farewell to her beloved mother. This is about the main theme of the poem. See children, basically main theme of the poem, the old age is very important and unbearable phase of human life, and old age is a quite opposite childhood. So childhood also you are depending, and old age also most of the people are depending, but in the childhood you are getting more care, love and attention from the parents. But quite opposite age, old age, here you are depending, but that depends on the grown up children, how much and how long they are taking care about their old parents. It depends on the grown up children. Okay children, this is the main theme of the poem, how that Kamala Das was sharing her emotion towards her mother, that is expressed in the poem My Mother at 66. Now you come to the about the summary. Before going to the summary, let's I read once the poem. Okay, see. If you have textbook, please open. Otherwise, listen attentively. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother face. I saw my mother beside me. Doors open mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the married children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. This is about the poem. Okay, now you come to the summary. On last Friday morning, the poetess was driving from her parents' home to Cochin airport. Her mother was sitting beside her in the car. She suddenly had a look at her mother. She found that her mother was dozing with her open mouth. Her face was as pale as that of a corpse. The poet painfully realized that her mother is not going to live long. The painful thought haunted her. But soon she tried to put it off by looking out of the car window. She saw the young trees running past them. She looked at the merry children coming out of their homes. As she saw life and vitality in the outside world, the painful thought passed away from her mind. After reaching the airport, she went through the security check. Her mother was standing outside a few yards away. After the security check, she looked at her mother again. Her face was pale white like a late winter's moon. She felt the old familiar ache of childhood in her heart, which is usually felt by a child due to the fear of separation from the mother. But she continued herself and kept on smiling in order to conceal her emotions. She spoke no word to her mother. All that she said was, "See you soon, Amma," and bade goodbye to her mother with a hope to see her again. So, this is the summary about the poem My Mother at 66. So here actually Kamala Das was written from abroad to the native place of the Cochin, and when she saw her mother was aging, and that she thought that aging means that next near to the death. So that painful thought was coming repeatedly, but she want to hope that she don't want to show the emotion towards the mother because mother feel upset. So she finally telling, I see you soon, Amma, with and smile to cover her emotions. This is about the summary of the poem, children. In the next class, we will discuss about the poetic devices and word meanings and important questions related to the poem My Mother at 66. Okay, bye children. Thank you.